I have a really simple question for you, and that is, have you been searching online trying to figure out how to do design, meaning create graphics and things like that as an entrepreneur or affiliate marketer, but you get all these videos about how to edit videos and how to do a lot of complex things that you really don't need to know because you're not trying to be a photographer? If so, stay tuned. This video is for you. How's it going? This is Digital DIY Geek from digitaldiygeek.com. And today I want to share with you the playlist and what you can find and learn on this specific playlist on YouTube. Now, really quickly, I'm going to be teaching you how to leverage Affinity Photo, but I'm not going to do it like most YouTube videos do it or most YouTubers, meaning I'm not going to sit down, take you through a 30-minute session on how to do all these different things. I'm actually going to give it to you in bite-sized chunks, meaning each thing I want you to learn, I'm going to show you one new thing for maybe the next week or so. And at the end of the week, we're going to take all the little things you've learned and show you how you can use it. Because I know one of the biggest problems I had when I was learning how to code was I was learning all these little small things. I mean, I was learning the skeleton of HTML or how to use CSS or how JavaScript fits into it. And I could sit down and do it. To this day, I still can sit down and do it. But when it comes to actually creating a project around that is where I used to have a hard time seeing it. So not only do I want to show you how to do it, but I want to show you how the simple things that I show you how to do throughout this next week will be able to you'll be able to leverage it to be able to create some pretty cool videos. Not only create some pretty cool video thumbnails, but really be able to create images for whatever you may want to do. You're going to learn things like how to cut out yourself out of a background. You're going to learn how to create borders without actually making the border or your canvas even bigger. You're going to learn how to create text in a way that pops off the screen and jumps out at people. You're going to learn the essential skills you need to be able to create images that stop people in their track and grab their attention. But most importantly, I'm going to show you how to work effectively and efficiently in a way that you're not sitting down for hours at a time trying to learn how to master this thing called Affinity Photo. So with that being said, the only thing you really need for this is your software. So I'm going to actually be doing it on an iPad. This is going to be my iPad I use, which is the 12.9 inch. If you don't have the 12.9 inch, it really doesn't matter. This is iOS dependent though, so you do want to have some type of iPad. Affinity Photo, I'm not sure if it's on Android. I don't know, honestly. I don't really own any Android devices. So I'm not sure if it's on, and I'm not sure if it's on Android, but if it is, then yeah, you can use Android. However, if it's not, I highly recommend you still go through this because even if you use Photoshop, it still applies. Or even if you use Affinity Photo on your desktop, whether that's Windows or PC, it still applies. What you're gonna learn here is something you can transition through any application because every application has the basic same structure. So you want to make sure you pay close attention to these next group of videos coming up. So with that being said, the first video will be posted tomorrow. I'm going to post one new video each day going forth until this is over with. After that, I'm going to go forward with just adding new videos to this library as I learn new things. Now, remember, this is not for a photographer. This is not for someone who wants to be able to, make their images more crispy or cut out or blur things or, remove, pimples and all that other stuff from people, images and things like that. That's not what this is about. This is designed for entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, content creators who don't want to learn all that extra stuff. They just want to know what they need to know to get the job done. And that's what this is about. So with that being said, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up to let me know you're liking this type of content and you want to see more of the how-to videos. If you didn't enjoy this video, give me a thumbs down. Let me know that too. With that being said, if you would like to learn how to build a business from scratch, meaning that no matter how long you've been online, whether it's been 1 week, 0 days, or 5 years, and you haven't seen any results, you can click the link below or click the card. It's going to take you over to Commission Kickstart, where I show you step by step, taking you from day one of not having anything online to having a full offer online that you're driving traffic to and getting people in front of your offer to either say yes or no to what it is you're offering. So if that sounds appealing to you, click the link below and take it for a test drive. Till next time, this is Digital DIY Geek, and I'll see you in the next video.